Hello friend, so I'm so glad to introduce this brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra here, and we just got it from the market. And actually I got 3 colors here, and there are 4 colors for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Okay, let's get started. So first, this is the box, and we can see the box has Galaxy S26 Ultra here, which is different from the S25 Ultra. And here we can't see any colors here. It's black and white, and we can see colors here. Yeah, this is purple. Yeah, black. Yeah, black, blue, and purple. We can see colors from here. Okay. We got different versions here. Yes, this is the Canada version, American version, European version. So we will make them all different versions. It's up to your region, where you're from. If you come from the United States, then we will ship you this American version. Okay? Let's get started. I will unbox the black one to show you guys. Okay, here, black one, to show you guys what will the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra looks like. Okay. Yeah, so this is the original sticker here. Looks really nice. Wow. Yeah, this is the Canada version. Canada version for Canada market. Alright, wow. So this is the black one. Guys, have a look. The brand new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the black one. Wow. It looks shiny. Okay, and here is original paper sticker to protect the new phones from scratches, from dust. Okay, so let me show you the phone itself. And here is a new camera system. Looks really great, and we have Samsung logo here in the bottom. Samsung here, and in the bottom we have a SIM card slot, Type-C charging port, and S Pen. Alright, and this is top. We have loudspeaker and volume power button. Alright, so let's unbox other colors to make you guys have a quick look of other colors. This is the American version, and I think this is a blue color. Wow. It officially called sky blue, and I love these colors personally. Yeah, sky blue, Galaxy S27 Ultra. Sorry, S26 Ultra. And this one is purple, European version. Wow. This is purple color. Alright guys, we have 3 colors here: purple, sky blue, and black. And I will turn on this black one to show you guys what's inside it. Okay, I will turn it on now. And this brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, black color. And there is a white color here, but I didn't get it today. Maybe in my next video I will show you what colors you like. And now we come to the configuration page. For the first time when you turn on this phone, you need to set it up. Yeah, we need to set it up. To the home page, we got a brand new home page for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, Galaxy Store Gallery. Yeah, and I will tell you some basic information about these phones. This is MTK6580 quad-core, 1 GB RAM and 16 GB storage, and we can make it, of course, 512 GB, 1 TB. It's up to you. And for the back camera, it's 10 megapixels, and front camera we make it 8 megapixels. It is good for these phones, although maybe not as good as the original, but it's quite good enough for these phones. Really nice. Okay. And I didn't insert my SIM card here, and you can connect Wi-Fi, so you can surf the internet. The camera, yes. And yes, this is a picture we just took. 10 megapixels or 12 megapixels back camera, so it's clear. We can enlarge it, so it's still clear. We can see the details from the pictures. Alright, this is black color and sky blue. Have a look, guys. And purple. I think the black color will be the most popular color from the market. Black and the white, I didn't get it today. So much for this unboxing video. Guys, if you are quite interested in this Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, please write me email or contact me by my WhatsApp down below on the description. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.